Welcome to the only Zontes dedicated YouTube channel. So how to do it yourself at home. Why pay dealers when you can do the job yourself? Please enjoy the video with step-by-step instruction. Please, if you can promote my channel on your social media, I would be grateful. It takes a lot of effort to bring you Zontes content, and the channel can only survive with your help.